Interested to know how a small business transformed itself from having zero visibility online to having so much that they literally had to pause taking new inquiries? And no, there's no ads or no influencers involved in this. There's just two smart decisions. Let me just show you what we did for one of our clients, UrbanAxis. And believe me when I say this 2 minutes would be worth to watch and would be one of the smartest decision of yours. Let me just show you how. When they came to us, UrbanAxis had a static website, but it was slow, hard to navigate, unable to load videos, and practically invisible to the search engines. You know what's the most dangerous thing online? Having a good website, but with zero presence. Now let me just quickly show you what solutions did we proposed. So firstly, we made their entire site in Next.js once again. Why Next.js? Because Next.js is lightning fast, secure and scalable. And most importantly, Google loves these Next.js sites made in cutting edge tech. So if your customers prefer speed, Google prefers speed, then why not he? Let me just tell you one thing. In today's world, if your site doesn't load in 2 seconds, then you're not losing sales, but you're literally bleeding them out. Secondly, we started with the search engine optimization, but not the fake ones. We did it in the right manner. From on-page optimization to quality backlinks. We did everything. And boom, in just weeks, UrbanAxis started ranking top in every search results, not just in Bharat, but globally. Site traffic, it's surging. Site visibility, oh, they're exploding with views. And remember, all we had to do to achieve this success was that firstly, we rebuilt the site in Next.js, and secondly, we did the SEO the way it's meant to be done. The number of active users is growing rapidly across global regions, reflecting a steady upward trend in engagement. So, if your site is slow, outdated, or runs nowhere on Google search, then you're not just missing on some traffic, but you're missing on some opportunities. DM us or call us and we'll partner with you to show you how would your digital presence would grow. No pressure, no sales pitch, just real possibilities. Because at BharathaTechno, we don't just build sites, we scale businesses.